Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Home Decor Ideas. Good living rooms have some things in common. They are harmonious, elegant, and fit in with the taste and personality of the people who use it. You can have endless possibilities and ideas to decorate your living room, but you need to start with the basic question: what do you want to use it for? It can be a place for social gathering or a space to watch TV together in the evening, or also can be used as a dining space when a room separator is implemented. So before buying furniture for the living room, it is important to take care of the functional need. Where can you find ideas to design your living room? If you need inspiration for designing your living room, our YouTube channel provides you pictures and ideas that help you to design or renovate your living room and style. Style will be modern or minimalist. It also helps you to choose the right color, material, and furniture needed to make the living room a better place. It completely depends on the people, what mood they want to create within the living room. People who often move from one place to another place are open to experiment with interior design, which is a minimalist style living room may be ideal as it is simpler to rearrange furniture. Bigger families may prefer a well-furnished and spacious living room, while couples and young people may go for modern living room designs. The best advice while decorating a living room is to find a balance between modern and flexible furniture. In smaller living rooms, make maximum use of the space by installing the television in a wall-mounted cabinet. Don't go overboard on decoration and try to manage the amount of seating space so that people can move around easily. Many people also like the decorative focal point like a mirror or painting to the room. Flowers located around the room add to a light, organic effect. Balance and harmony are key at all times when designing a living room. If you are stumped on how to craft a space that equal parts stylish and functional, see our standout living room ideas. Whether your goal is to simply refresh your living room for the session or completely renovate it, you are bound to find the perfect ideas for you. There is nothing like crafting a luxury living room that is suitable for enjoying family time and entertaining loved ones. This primary spot sets the tone for the rest of your home decor. It's also one of the best places to showcase your design, inviting and full of style. Plus, if you are designing an ideal living room, put your favorite trend to the test, whether it's option for minimalist art or going bold with metallic wall paint. From an industrial New York City loft, a rustic space is a great idea for inspiring a living room design scheme. There are plenty of options to use for living room floors, and you can choose from stone, wood, and tiles, or even cover the floor entirely or partly with a carpet. A carpet will create a soft and comfortable surface for the color. The living room can change out look of the house. Living room is mostly designed at entrance of house because that can give a glad look for your house. Interior designing of living room plays a greater role in house. Space of the living room is an important space of the house. The design of living room can design only with interior designing expert. If you follow the instruction of the expert, you can build the good interior designing living room. You can have a good architect in our home. The interior designer can decide how to build in a correct way and decorate, because this space will be used in different ways. If people are thinking to have a beautiful and grand look living room in their homes, then they need to take a master plan from interior designer. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel so that whenever I will upload a video about home decoration ideas, you will get notification. Thank you for watching the video.